Hey, have you ever wondered if it's really possible to turn back the clock on aging? Well, according to new research, maintaining heart-healthy habits could slow biological aging by 6 whole years. That's right, 6 years. Now let's dive into what exactly this means. Cardiovascular health is crucial, right? It pumps life through our entire body. But did you know it's also deeply connected to how our cells age? This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. Imagine reducing the risk of age-related diseases and feeling vibrant and energetic no matter the number on your birthday cake. So, how can we achieve this fountain of youth for our heart? First, improving our diet, more greens, less processed food, and balanced nutrients. Next, ramping up physical activity. Doesn't have to be a marathon. Even regular brisk walks can do wonders. And let's not forget about reducing stress. Meditation, anyone? These changes are not just good on paper. They're proven to decelerate the biological clock, affording us a healthier, more vibrant life as we age. But why is controlling cardiovascular risk factors so fundamental? Because every part of our body benefits from a healthy heart. From brain function to joint health, everything is interconnected. I want to leave you with this thought. Adopting heart-healthy habits isn't just about avoiding illness, it's about thriving. If you found this information helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Who knows? The next video might just answer them. Remember, taking small steps today can lead you to a healthier, more youthful tomorrow. Let's embark on this heart-healthy journey together.